truck just died in the middle of the road. Unless you don't know how to shift gears. We over here checking in. So, see the cream behind me. Gotta look for my box, and when he gets above me, I'm gonna let him know which box I'm taking. And then we are headed to our drop right after that. So that is the process over here at the port. So. Alright, let's get it. Bow! Yo, what it do? We on the road right now. Leaving our drop. Headed back to Jersey from PA. Had a short little run from the ports. It was about 150-mile run, I believe it was. Kind of wish I had tints right now because I got this big old camera on my head. Well, all this content, we're going to show y'all how it is on the roads. That's what we here for. So, I got this GoPro, but I lost the little hookup thing that goes into here. So until we get that thing situated, camera on the head. Mobile, hands mobile free at all times.
Reduce speed.
Alright, GPS. Alright, so about to hit the road. Over here on 81 are horrible in PA, man. They go left, they go right, they lean to the left, they lean to the right. They got bumps on each side of it. It's like really annoying. Like that mainly on the whole northeast, to tell you the truth. Throughout the entire PA, I think the only smooth road in Pennsylvania is 276 and 76. And everything else is just hard. I see brake lights up ahead. Start downshifting. This guy must have not seen the brake lights ahead of him because shouldn't be braking that hard. Downshift one more time. One more time. Let's wear and tear on my brakes. Let the engine do all the work. This is rush hour in the mountains, people. That's what it really is. Ain't no accident or nothing. It's just rush hour. I think this area is Scranton. City of Scranton is like the, I want to say downtown area for the mountains. A lot of trucking businesses over here. A lot of warehouses. A lot of retail companies. So nice little dump truck right there. See all of those valleys and mountains and trees. A couple months, that entire valley right there is gonna be orange and red and yellow, all them fall colors. It's August, August, September, October. Yeah, I give it about like 15 more days. That whole valley is gonna be orange and red. And it just turns all brown. This is 81 South, well, North. Yeah, we're on 81 North. Going towards 380 East, then 80 East into Jersey over to Delaware, and then yeah, down for the day, man. Like these nice little short runs, man. It's easy local runs like this that keep you home, spending time with your kids, enjoying them, seeing them grow up. You're like, man, I tell you, they grow up too fast that it's just like, especially as a trucker, trying to support your family. You just out here on the road thinking about the next dollar to feed your kids and your family, and you know, you're always looking for a better future for your kids, honestly. A lot of truckers out here, man, they don't spend a lot of time with their family because they're out here trading their time for money. And we really never get to cherish those moments back home like we really want to, because we spend a couple days or hours at home and then we're back out on the road providing for the country, man. And I don't like the pity party situation, but it's the truth, you know. A lot of hard-working guys out here, man, just trying to make it in America and trying to be a good citizen and trying to, you know, do the right thing, stay down the right path, and it just gets harder and harder and harder, man. So, I got a lot of guys that are older gentlemen that tell me to cherish those moments that you have with your kids, man. Like, the kid is what now, 18 years old, 21 years old, 24 years old in college, and it's hard for them. it's not we want to. We have to provide as men. That's a whole nother tangent, but we have to provide as a man of a family. So, but your kids don't care about that, man. That's a struggle, the battle within. Tell yourself, man, my kids really don't care about me being out here making $1, making $2, making $3. But I care. I want to be a better man. I want to be that guy that my kids can say that my father did this for me. He did this for my mother. He did this for my sister. So, you always want to be a kid superhero. That's the goal, man. So, I'm going to get off the kid tangent. Because not every truck out there has kids. But for the dads out there, that's for you, man. Look, we all feel the same way, man. We all just trying to get $1 to feed our kids, man. And to all my young fellas out there, my young ladies out there that's out here just eating, having fun, enjoying this truck life, enjoying the sights, man. Hey, I salute you, man. I appreciate y'all, man. Because there's young folks like y'all that make the game look sexy. Because there's a lot of parts of this game that's really not sexy. But a lot of y'all new truckers are making it sexy to be a trucker. So that's dope. That's really dope, man. We all just want to make this game strong. The stronger this game is, the stronger it's for everybody, man. Like, a lot of guys are selfish. They don't want to, share the secrets. And then when you don't want to share, man, it starts to dwindle away. And it becomes a profession that nobody wants to do anymore. So, yeah. Anyway, alright. Had enough of talking. I'm on 380 right now, so let's hit the road. So we're over here dropping off a container, and I got this Aeropass. So I'm gonna walk into the terminal offices. See what's the problem. Alright, later. Everything was fine. I guess the operator just had an attitude problem. I don't know, man. Started yelling. Hey, driver! Are you empty? Yes. Did you have a day on time? Yes. Error. Terminal pass. Can't come through. Jesus. Alright, lady. Anyway, alright, people. Catch up with y'all later.